Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to chemistry. So online classes. So today we are going to explain the next topic of amines is diazonium salts. So in this topic, 1 marks question will be asked in the annual examinations. Okay. So first of all, you should have to know diazonium definition of diazonium salts. Organic compounds having the formula are N2 plus Cl minus or N2 plus X minus are called diazonium salts. Organic compounds having the formula N2 plus X minus are called diazonium salts. Where R may be aryl group, where R is an aryl group and X minus. So this is the general formula for diazonium salts. They are asked in the examination. So write the general formula for diazonium salts. You should have to write N2 plus X minus, where R is an aryl group and X minus may be halogen, that is Cl minus, Br minus, HSO4 minus bisulfate ion and BF4 minus, that is tetrafluoroborate ion, etc. So this is the formula for diazonium salts. Organic compounds containing the formula N2 plus X minus are called diazonium salts, where R is an aryl group and X minus may be Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, HSO4 minus, BF4 minus. HSO4 minus is bisulfate ion and BF4 minus is tetrafluoroborate ion, etc. Okay, they are named by suffixing the diazonium group. They are named by suffixing diazonium group to the parent hydrocarbon, group from which they are formed. So diazonium salts, that is, they are formed by suffixing the diazonium group to the parent hydrocarbon, from which they are formed. The N2 plus group, is called diazonium group. The N2 plus group is called diazonium group. N2 plus group is called diazonium group. N2 plus group is called diazonium group. Therefore, so diazonium salts are represented by the formula N2 plus X minus. Examples for diazonium salts is, so first one A, C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. And second one, C6H5 N2 plus HSO4 minus. C6H5 N2 plus HSO4 minus. This is benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. So benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate are the examples for diazonium salts. Okay, so clear. So what are diazonium salts means? Organic compounds, so having the formula N2 plus X minus are called diazonium salts, where R is an aryl group. It's only aryl group, not alkyl group. And X minus may be Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, HSO4 minus, BF4 minus, etc. Okay, they are named by suffixing the group, that is diazonium group, to the parent hydrocarbon group, from which they are formed. The N2 plus group is called diazonium group. So examples for diazonium salts is benzene diazonium chloride, formula is C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus, and second one is C6H5 N2 plus HSO4 minus, that is benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. Benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. So this is about the introduction regarding definition of diazonium salts. So next is preparation of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. So this is important. So it can ask it for 1 mark. Preparation of benzene diazonium chloride, C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. Benzene diazonium chloride can be prepared by treating aniline. Benzene diazonium chloride can be prepared by treating aromatic amine, that is aniline. Our IUPAC name for aniline is benzenamine, with nitrous acid. So heated at a temperature of 273 to 278 Kelvin. Heated at a temperature of 273 to 278 Kelvin. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed. C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus plus NaCl plus 2 H2O. Okay. So it is prepared by treating. So that is aromatic amine aniline with nitrous acid. So nitrous acid is prepared by the reaction of NaNO2 and HCl. Nitrous acid, formula for nitrous acid is HNO2. HNO2 is prepared by the mixture of NaNO2, sodium nitrite and HCl. That is H combines with NO2, HNO2, Na combines with Cl, NaCl. So this is prepared by the mixture of sodium nitrite and HCl. Sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. So heated at a temperature of 273 to 278 Kelvin, that is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So when it is heated, benzene diazonium chloride is formed. C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus plus NaCl plus 2H2O. This is the reaction. So if it is asked for 1 mass, so give the equation for preparation of BDC, that is benzene diazonium chloride. You should have write this equation: C6H5NH2 aniline plus NaNO2 plus 2HCl, arrow mark. So temperature should have to mention, that is 273 to 278 Kelvin. Delta means heat. You are going to get C6H5N2 plus Cl minus plus NaCl plus 2H2O. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, this reaction is called diazotization reaction. This reaction is called diazotization reaction. So, diazotization reaction. What is diazotization? The process of conversion of aromatic amine into diazonium salt. The process of conversion of aromatic amines into diazonium salts. Diazonium salts is called diazotization. The process of conversion of aromatic amines into diazonium salts is called diazotization reaction. Okay, so the benzene diazonium chloride formed because of its instability. They are not stable. So because of its instability, so they cannot be stored for a longer time. So therefore, they should be used for the preparation. They should be used for the preparation when it is synthesized. When it is synthesized, it should be used for the preparation. Okay. Immediately, it is used for the preparation when it is synthesized because it is unstable. Therefore, it should be used immediately after its preparation. So, preparation ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು because it is unstable, it is instable. Okay, this is about the preparation of benzene diazonium chloride. So, next is physical properties. Physical properties. So first one, benzene diazonium chloride. I will write it as BDC. Benzene diazonium chloride is a colorless crystalline solid. It is a colorless crystalline solid. Second one, it is soluble in water. Benzene diazonium chloride is a colorless crystalline solid. Second one, it is soluble in water. It is stable at cold and reacts when it is warmer. It is stable at cold and reacts when it is warmer. Third one, it readily decomposes at room temperature. It readily decomposes in dry state. Third one, it readily decomposes in dry state. When it is present in the dry state, it readily decomposes. Next, fourth one, benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate is insoluble in, that is C6H5N2 plus PF4 minus. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate is insoluble in water. Is insoluble in water at room temperature. So this is about the properties of diazonium. Okay, physical properties. Okay, so first one is benzene diazonium chloride is a colorless crystalline solid. Second one, it is soluble in water and stable at cold and reacts when it is warmed. Third one, it readily decomposes in a dry state. Fourth one, benzene diazonium fluoroborate is insoluble in water at room temperature. Okay. So next is chemical properties. Chemical properties. The chemical properties of diazonium salts involve the following two types of reactions. The chemical properties of diazonium salts involve the following two types of reactions. That is, two types of reactions. So first one is Roman number 1, reactions involving replacement of nitrogen. So first one, reactions involving replacement of nitrogen. Second one, reactions involving retention of diazo group. So these are the two types of reactions. So that is reactions involving replacement of nitrogen, and the second one, reactions involving retention of diazo group. Reactions involving retention of diazo group. So I am going to study one by one. first one you take. So reactions involving replacement of nitrogen. So first one, reactions involving replacement of nitrogen. Reactions involving replacement of nitrogen. Diazonium group is a good living group. Diazonium is a good living group. Therefore, so they can be substituted by other groups. They can be substituted by other groups such as Cl minus, Br minus, OH minus, Cn minus, which acts as a nucleophile. Okay, diazo group is a good living group, therefore can be substituted by other groups such as Cl minus, Br minus, Hi minus, OH minus, Cl minus, which acts as a nucleophile. Which acts as a nucleophile. Which acts as a nucleophile. Okay, therefore they will replace us the nitrogen atom. These groups will replace us the nitrogen atom from the aromatic ring. They will replace us the nitrogen atom from the aromatic ring. Therefore, the nitrogen atom escapes as a gas. Therefore, the nitrogen atom escapes as a gas and it is formed as a product. It is formed in the products as a gas. Okay. Some of the important reactions involving replacement of nitrogen are studied as follows. First one, replacement by halide or cyanide ion. Replacement by halide or cyanide ion. So first one, replacement by halide or cyanide ion. Okay. Benzene diazonium chloride, that is aromatic diazonium salts. Aromatic diazonium salts. So that is ArN2 plus X minus can be treated with Cu. So aromatic diazonium salts, that is ArN2 plus X minus. In this, that is nitrogen atom, that is diazo group, can be replaced by halides, that is Cl minus, Br minus or cyanide ion Cl minus by using catalyst, that is copper 1 ion as a catalyst. By using catalyst such as Cu1, copper 1 as a catalyst. Copper 1 as a catalyst. So ArN2 plus X minus, on treating with Cu2 Cl2 cuprous chloride bar SCl, gives ArCl plus N2 gas. ArCl plus N2 gas. Example for this reaction is C6H5. Air group is aromatic. C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride on treating with cuprous chloride bar HCl. Benzene diazonium chloride on treating with cuprous chloride bar HCl gives chlorobenzene C6H5Cl plus N2 gas. This is chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. And the second one, Ar N2 plus X minus on a reaction with cuprous bromide bar HBr, hydrogen bromide, gives ArBr plus N2 gas. So example for this reaction is C6H5N2 plus Cl minus on treating with Cu2Br2 cuprous bromide and in presence of hydrogen bromide, so gives C6H5Br plus N2 gas. So you're going to get bromobenzene. And the third one is Ar N2 plus X minus, that is aromatic diazonium salts on treating with CuCl bar in presence of potassium cyanide. Cuprous cyanide in presence of potassium cyanide gives ArCN plus N2 gas. So example for this one is C6H5N2 plus Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride. So reacts with cuprous cyanide in presence of potassium cyanide. So gives C6H5Cl plus dinitrogen gas. This is cyanobenzene. This is cyanobenzene. So like this, the products are formed. Chlorobenzene, if we take CuCl2 bar, CuCl2 in presence of HCl, we are going to get chlorobenzene. If we take cuprous bromide in presence of hydrogen bromide, we are going to get bromobenzene. So if you take, so that is cuprous cyanide in presence of potassium cyanide, you are going to get cyanobenzene. Cyanobenzene. This reaction is called Sandmeyer's reaction. This reaction is called Sandmeyer's reaction. Okay, this reaction is called Sandmeyer's reaction. Okay. Alternatively, so nitrogen atom, so can also be removed by using copper powder. In presence of HCl. That is Ar(N2 plus X minus), so that is Cu bar HCl gives rise to, that is ArCl plus N2 gas plus HX. So the nitrogen atom can also be substituted by using, so that is copper in presence of hydrochloric acid, copper powder in presence of hydrochloric acid, we are going to get, so that is chlorobenzene. Example, so C6H5N2 plus Cl minus, benzene diazonium chloride, so is treated with copper powder in presence of hydrochloric acid. So the product formed is C6H5Cl chlorobenzene plus N2 gas plus H, HCl. This is chlorobenzene. And another reaction is Ar N2 plus X minus and is treated with copper powder in presence of hydrogen bromide. So gives Br plus N2 gas plus Hx. So example C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus, this is benzene, benzene chloride. So reacts with copper powder in presence of hydrogen bromide, gives C6H5 Br plus N2 gas plus HCl, sorry, CuCl. So CuCl. This is bromobenzene. The product format is bromobenzene. The product format is bromobenzene. Okay, not HX. This is CuX. CuCl. Here also CuX. Okay, not HX. You write it as CuX. Okay, cuprous chloride. Okay, so you're going to get bromobenzene. It is chlorobenzene. If you take copper powder in presence of HCl, you're going to get chlorobenzene. If you take copper powder in presence of hydrogen bromide or hydrobromic acid, the product format is bromobenzene. This reaction is called Gattermann reaction. This reaction is called Gattermann reaction. This reaction is called Gattermann reaction. Okay, so these reactions are called as Sandmeier's reaction, but so these two reactions are called as Gattermann reaction. Okay, but the yield produced in the Sandmeier's reaction is more compared to that of the Gattermann reaction. The yield produced in the Sandmeier's reaction is more compared to that of the Gattermann reaction. Okay, so we're going to know about the Gattermann reaction as well as Sandmeier's reactions. These three reactions are called Sandmeier's reaction. These two reactions are called as Gattermann reaction. But the yield produced in the Sandmeier's reaction is more compared to that of the Gattermann reaction. So this is about replacement by halide ion. Second reaction. Second one is replacement by halide ion. Second one is replacement by halide ion. Replacement by halide ion. Okay. So benzene diazonium chloride, Ar N2 plus aromatic diazonium chloride. That is here N2 plus Cl minus. So reacts with potassium iodide. Reacts with potassium iodide. So we're going to get Ari plus N2 gas plus KCl. So replacement by halide ion. Here, so that is aromatic diazonium chloride. That is a diazonium salts in which the nitrogen atom is replaced by potassium iodide. In that potassium iodine will replace us the nitrogen atom. Therefore, the nitrogen atom escapes as a gases in the products. Okay. Example for this one is C6H5 N2 plus Cl minus. That is benzene diazonium chloride (BDC). So reacts with potassium iodide to give C6H5 plus N2 gas plus HCl. This is iodobenzene. This is iodobenzene. Okay, replacement by halidine. So that is halidine is iodine replaces the nitrogen atom present in benzene, diazonium chloride, and so nitrogen gas is produced. Okay, so benzene diazonium chloride is get converted to iodobenzene. So in the examination they can also ask for 1 mass. How is benzene diazonium chloride converted to iodobenzene? So we are using the reagent called potassium iodide. So we have to use potassium iodide as a reagent. Potassium iodide as a reagent. This is replacement by halide ion. Okay, next third one. Replacement by fluoride ion. Replacement by fluoride. Replacement by fluoride ion. Third reaction is replacement by fluoride ion. Okay, aromatic diazonium salts. That is Ar(N2) plus Cl minus. Okay, aromatic diazonium chloride. Okay, so reacts with HBF4, that is fluoroporic acid. Fluoroporic acid to form the product Ar(N2) plus BF4 minus H combines with Cl, Ar(N2) plus BF4 minus. This is aromatic diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Aromatic diazonium tetrafluoroborate. So that is Ar(N2) plus BF4 minus formed this on strongly eating. This on strongly eating. So changes to ArF plus N2 gas plus EF3, that is boron trifluoride. Changes to ArF. So examples for this reaction is C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. This is benzene diazonium chloride reacts with fluoroporic acid HBF4. This is fluoroporic acid to form C6H5N2 plus BF4 minus plus HCl. This is benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate. C6H5N2 plus BF4 minus. That is, so benzene diazonium fluoroborate on strongly eating, so gives C6H5F plus dinitrogen gas plus BF3 boron trifluoride. This is fluorobenzene. Another formula is fluorobenzene. So this is so important. That is replacement by fluoride ion. So here the nitrogen atom of diazonium group is replaced by so fluoroboric acid to form so aromatic diazo, so fluoroborate. So this on eating strongly, so gives, that is fluorobenzenes. So this is about replacement by fluoride ion. Okay, I will going to continue tomorrow. Thank you.